Dear subscribers and guests of our channel, in previous video we have showcased full customization kit of the small arms, but we made it separately. Today I'd like to draw your attention to the full assortment which we have concerning the modernization kit of the small arms. And here we've got a large variety of options regarding the modernization of rifles and sniper rifles. First and foremost, I'd like to draw your attention to the tactical grip, which is usually positioned beneath the handguard. We also have the pistol grip, which has a textured surface for ensuring natural arms holding. We also have different options of shoulder stocks. For example, this one can be adjusted in accordance with personal anthropometry of each and every user. It has adjustable cheek rest and it can be adjusted through this way, and it utterly enhances the process of aiming, and we can lock it in this way. Metal. It has a number of M-locks slots for mounting different accessories and, for instance, tactical flashlights and laser designators. On the top we have Picatinny rail for mounting optical devices, various optical devices. There is also a handguard made of polyamide. It's lightweight and pretty convenient for using. It is reinforced with fiberglass for better durability. Dear subscribers and guests of our channel, that's all for today. Goodbye.